What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I do a chunky braid out. So right now I'm just giving you a whole 360 of what my nappy ass head is looking like, okay? It's not nappy, but y'all know what I mean. It needs a refresh, okay? So this style is really great if you're doing it on like a failed wash and go, old twist out, old braid out, which is what this is. But yeah, give it a try, give it a go. So right now what you see me doing is sectioning my hair off in 4 sections. Y'all know sectioning makes stuff go by faster, so just section stuff off, okay? That's my spray bottle. I'm taking the spray bottle and I am spritzing my section, just lightly mist it so it's malleable so I can detangle from ends to root. Alright, y'all, just gonna detangle the rest of these 4 sections, but I came back to give you guys a couple of pro tips. Number 1, you want to make sure that you're detangling on hair that's moisturized, okay? You don't want it to be completely bone dry because you'll have all types of breakage and damage. So you want to make sure that you put some type of lotion, leave-in, or water in your hair before you start detangling. And you want to make sure that you go from ends to root, okay? And then another pro tip. I started this style on pre-stretched hair, so you want to make sure your hair is elongated in some type of way, just so the big braids can dry quick enough that you have that chunky, fuller, aerated look. Alright, y'all, the star of the show. We are using one product, and that one product you can see on the screen is the Pattern Beauty Curl Mousse. I cannot say enough good stuff about this product, okay, y'all? This mousse is so lightweight. It feels so good on the hair, and like it holds like no other, okay? It's not gonna be like a crunchy hold, but when it says light hold, it's light hold. When it says volume, it's giving you volume, sis, okay? I really like this product. It smells nice and fresh and nostalgic. I don't know how Tracy did it. I don't know how she made it. This ain't sponsored. Sis, if you see this video, please sponsor me. I love this mousse, okay? So y'all go ahead, go get you some. Now, if you don't have it in your area, which is at Ulta, Target, or not Target, but Ulta, I'm pretty sure it's at Sephora, go get you some. But if not, okay, go try a mousse, right? We don't want to use anything heavier than a mousse for this type of style, just because I'm going for fast drying. I'm going for something light and airy, like I said. Y'all, this is a chunky braid out, so your sections do not need to be saturated with water. That's why you saw me spray my hand, so I get a little light water, all right? So this product's real light. Look at how smooth and like shiny that braid was. It just looks really good, and the results that this mousse yields is perfection.
Y'all need that new Bentley truck. They just mad they wanna be us. Roll out the windows, put on the gas. Listen, I rap with the kids, so selling my bands. Say she my diamond, they wet. She my diamond, they wet. I even want the bed. I keep my foot on the neck. With the gang, I'm with the gang. And when I'm in my Rolls Royce, I take up 2 lanes. They be like, boy, that's how you feel. I be like, yeah. Hey, DJ, turn it. Hey up there, I'm on my way up.
Okay, what did I tell y'all? It's giving shiny, it's giving real silky, it's giving moisturized. But anyways, I finished all my braids. I'm putting on a bonnet and I'm going to bed. Mind y'all, this is at I think 11 at night. So by the time I wake up in the morning at 8 to take my hair down, it's completely dry. This is why you don't want to completely saturate your sections or oversaturate with product. You want your hair to dry in enough time. So I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll see y'all in the morning. So this is the morning. Hello. I'm filling my braids just to make sure they're completely dry though, y'all, okay? I'm taking a little bit of my argan oil, dry healing oil. This is from Organics, OGX, I think. It's a Target brand. Just put that in there and then we start taking down these braids. Look at the definition and the hold. These curls were bouncy. They were soft. They were really moisturized. It was so easy to take them down. My hair wasn't getting caught up on one another. It's really nice. Okay, y'all, now that I'm done separating, I'm gonna oil my scalp, fluff my roots a bit, and then continue to separate. Okay, now you guys see me tying back my hair so I can do some edges. So I'm using edge fixer, and then I showed you guys my brush, then a little bit of water. You know, I'm doing the barcode edges. And then after this, I just go ahead and put my scarf on, let that sit for the remainder of me getting ready. And then after that, you guys will see finishing looks.
Right, I know what I do wrong. Ain't no way that I'm gonna change up. Not everybody better pay up. Elevator on my way up. Pay out that, put a feet up. Dollar need that new Bentley truck. They just mad they wanna be us. Roll out the windows, put on the gas. Listen, I rap with the kids, so selling my pants. Say she my dominate wet, she my dominate wet. I even want the bed, I keep my foot on the neck. With the gang gang, I'm with the gang gang. And when I'm in my Rolls Royce, I take them too late. They be like, what?
Okay, so after I took off my scarf, I went ahead and picked my roots. Excuse me, but I should have waited a little bit more for my style to kind of set in. It was a little humid that day, so my hair was still a little malleable. So but yeah, in the next clip you guys will see it a little bit more dry at work, and I'll be able to show you kind of what it looks like when it's set in and really fully dry.
Everybody better pay up, pay up, pay up. Trying to get rich, don't want to be famous. With my day one.
Alright y'all, I'm at work, but I didn't want to end this video without talking